shared very soon. Would also request all to share the subjects they would like us to take care of for the benefit of the industry. The sessions would be for the operators and manufacturers both. For today's session, we're talking about how to stay digitally connected. The session is being taken by Mr. Paresh Shah, Paresh Mishra. He's a science graduate with hotel management and MBA degree, and he's got diversified experience of 35 years in entertainment and hospitality and retail. He's currently working with SL World and Water Kingdom as a Senior Vice President, Sales, Marketing and Digital. Would like to request all not to switch on the mic and may send their questions in chat. At the end of the session, I will seek replies to your queries to Mr. Paresh. As you all know, this is our first online webinar. So forgive us for any shortcomings.
Anuj sir, sorry to disturb.
Yeah.
Can you speak a little louder, please? People are saying that they are not able to hear.
Should I repeat again, or now I'm audible to everybody?
Yes.
Very audible, very audible. Thank you.
Okay. As we all are aware of, this is the first webinar, so please forgive us for any shortcomings. In case of any questions you have, please drop them in the chat box. And at the end of the session, I'll seek queries from Mr. Paresh. We have muted all the microphones for the convenience of everyone. Please do not unmute. If you are not going clear audio, please check your internet once and also switch off your videos. We'll be recording this webinar to benefit our members and who have not been able to attend. Now I'll request our chairman, IIP, Mr. Ajay Sareen, to say a few words and welcome Mr. Paresh.
Thank you, Chairman, Training Committee for scheduling online training program. I welcome all the members and thank you for your first online training program. Under this COVID-19 lockdown, I can understand that everyone is going through a crucial time and worried about their business, whether it's an amusement park, whether it's indoor amusement center, whether it's a manufacturer, or maybe some allied industries is also. Because the allied industry is also suffering a lot because of the maybe costume manufacturer, maybe some floats and tube manufacturer. Everyone is suffering at the moment. But we at IP trying our best to represent to the government department and the problems being faced by our industry under lockdown and post-lockdown. I, along with the board members, are working on representations to the state government and government of India on various subjects like GST holiday for 12 months, exemption for electricity bills during lockdown, waiver of property tax, panchayati tax, or next our is a major thing is that salary and wages burden on us. So that level also lockdown that we have requested the labor ministry to pay from the ESI, as we all aware of that. Then waiver on custom duty and other benefits. I request all the members also to share their suggestion to me directly or to IP staff, because everyone have a good knowledge about the industry, and I think very experienced persons are there with us in industry, so they can share their views, their ideas, everything. That will be most welcome. As we started all of our regional WhatsApp group also, and sharing that on the work of the IP for the members. So far, there is a coverage about our industry on all the leading newspaper, almost 18 regional and local newspaper have covered about our news, about the problems we are facing at the moment. Various magazines also have done with the electronic media also covered us. Aaj channel also covered our 3 times, which is very appreciable. At the time is very short, I just want to start this training program. So I just welcome Mr. Mishra to start the training. And thank you to all. And I hope training will be very beneficial to all. Thank you so much. And Mr. Kindly, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Chairman, sir, and the IP management. And all the members, I would wish to take maximum usage of the program. As we start, we all understand that we have to keep social distancing and stay at home during this lockdown period. I will take you through a small presentation in which I'll explain how we have stayed connected during this lockdown period with all the customers, all the staff and stakeholders. There is an agenda which is on the second slide, which you will see now. Can we move to second slide, please? So agenda is very clear, where I have tried to explain from third slide onwards that how we actually started.
1 second, Pareshji.
Yes.
Is the second slide visible?
Yes, second slide is visible. We can move to third slide.
Yes. Is the third slide visible?
No, please.
Is it visible now?
No, sir.
Yeah, it's
Yes,
visible
now
now.
it is visible. So this in third slide, there is a brief introduction of what has actually happened to the amusement industry during the lockdown period. As we are aware, when we started the lockdown in the Maharashtra, started from 16th of March, and most of the places, including the cinemas, amusement park, water parks, all over the world, went for lockdown from 13th March onwards. And the reaction to the lockdown is that entire film industry, entire entertainment industry, entire amusement parks, water parks have actually gone for the lockdown, and nothing that has happened in modern times is globally before. Nobody is really sure how to act now and how to become our new normal. Can we move to fourth slide, sir?
Yes.
So most important for all of us during this lockdown period is how to remain positive. And the positive is why it is very important is that when we are under lockdown, there are a lot of pressures which we all are facing, which are internally and externally. So the overall coronavirus on the theme parks has created a very negative impact all over the industry. So how we need to come out of this is very important for us. And for that, the entire amusement industry has been working that what all things which we need to do during this lockdown period, so that when we reopen, we stay connected with the entire industry. That is one. Second is during the lockdown period, what are the positivity and kindness which we have to undergo during this period is very important for us. As I'll read just 2 lines which are very important. The impact of coronavirus on theme park is unprecedented. However, we have seen some fantastic acts on various operators across the continent. So what is actually happening is entire industry in India as well as abroad has actually moved on towards the digital. They are creating, the screen is actually going off. Yeah. Screen, just hold on with the screen, please.
Yes, sorry.
Yeah. So what has actually happened is the entire community, whether it's the employees, the stakeholders, the fans and the guests, we have to connect with them at all times. For that, we have to look at what is the positive areas which we can work on and how we stay relevant and connected with them. So what we as an industry have done is we have taken few initiatives where we have tried to remain connected with all the stakeholders. Can we move to second slide after this? Slide after this, please. So stay in the game is become very important for all of us in the industry with unprecedented challenges from mandatory. The important part is how we stay connected. Key focus which we thought of during the lockdown period was to connect with your customers on social media. Make sure your business platform has digital connect. Prepare your business plan for the bounce back. Then after that, we also had a thought on current scenario, provide opportunities for innovations in business. Use this downtime to finish your digital to-do list, work on reopening park procedures, and promote your brand through social distancing campaign. Now, coming after this, the important part is, can we move to next slide? So social distancing was the thought which was actually started with Prime Minister of India, and we all as a group of companies and with various amusement parks and water parks were thinking that how we relevant are we, how we can keep on connecting with the customers in the back time also. And Esselworld, being a pioneer in the industry, had a campaign which says Esselworld mein rahunga main, ghar nahi jaunga main, which has been modified to take for the social distancing message, कुछ दिन घर में रहूंगा मैं. So what we did is, when we came up with this modification of the campaign, is the overall idea was to touch on with each and every customer, whether it's trade partner, school student, FITs and corporates, that please stay at home. We will be available with you once we reopen. And that is how we started this campaign. It has been very successful, running in India as well as the Asian region. It has got a publication of more than 20 online publications have happened of this campaign. Can we move to second slide, please, after this, please? So social distancing campaign, we have also modified to take care of all the to express solidarity with the consumers during the global crisis. And the solidarity, as we all know, that doctors, our policemen, our medical staff, and our municipal corporation staff has been active throughout during this lockdown period by taking care of the coronavirus patients. And so we have worked on various campaigns for them, so that we are connected, and entire community and social media is aware, along with our customers, that we take care of all the people who are taking care during the global crisis. Please move on. Now, in social distancing campaign, the most important part when we started with the Prime Minister announcement on 23rd of March, that the initial lockdown period is for 21 days. So we came out with small campaigns for all the people who are touching our 4 different brands platforms, whether it's Facebook, our Instagram, on all our 4 different brands which we have. So the important part was to engage with the people at all the levels, like 20 days habit challenge, which we started, which has every day there is a different habit challenge which we came out with. And that was showcased and sent and shared with all the customers and all the platforms. We have connected with more than 7 lakh people at various different categories. So they are always engaged, and they should not feel that there is no connect as of now socially. Plus, it is also important that when we came out with 20 days habit challenge, we also told them that these are the things which you can actually do, which you have been not doing or postponing on a regular basis. For the children's, we actually came out with DIY, do-it-yourself activities, where do-it-yourself as in various activities like painting, caricature, learning calligraphy. These are the basic things which we all miss on a regular basis, which were actually showcased. And then we had a program whereby our teams were actually engaging with these platforms, with various schools, and explaining them how you can get enrolled in these activities and participate on a regular basis. Can we move? Next slide, please. Now, our campaign which we have initiated, we actually went ahead with the multiple radio channels, and we requested these all radio channels also to amplify, because we were actually giving a message to Mumbaikars. I will just, is it possible to play the radio jingle? Can you please play?
Is that sufficient?
Yeah, you are able to play the radio jingle, please?
People didn't hear it. I'm not sure why, Paresh, I'm unable to share it.
Yeah, yeah, and it's okay, it's okay. Then can we move ahead, please?
Yeah.
So for the benefit of all the members, I would like to add here that this Kuch Din Ghar Mein Rahunga Main campaign was played by all the 5 main radio channels in Mumbai region, and this was played for 15 days. And only the major message which we wanted to give from this campaign was social distancing drive. The other benefit which as a brand one can achieve is that remain connected with the social messaging which we wanted to give. Can we move on to next slide, please? We also engage, as we also know that we have a limited visibility, and we are working, talking of advantages of all the digital mediums. So earlier we know that blogging was one of the major digital way of promoting and remain connected. This time we came up with the innovative idea of Instagram stories. And when we were talking to various radio channels, we have actually gone ahead and tied up with 6 radio channels where we engaged with the RJs. And RJs were continuously working with us for more than 3 weeks, and they still continue work with us. And they promoted the social welfare cause of distancing, and that is one part. And second is we also started a drive, which I'll share with you at a later in other slides. So that also was promoted heavily by the Instagram stories, which are done by RJs. The most important part of Digital Connect was after 3rd week of March. What we thought of that as we are continuing, the initial lockdown period was of 21 days. And then by 16-17 day of lockdown, we could understand that this lockdown is further going to get extended. Though I sat with my entire team on a Skype call, and then we came up with the idea that why don't we work out with some artists and start up a program, digital program for all our fans, all our customers who have been with us and who are already following us on various digital platforms. So with a proper process, we came out with a property SL World Live. SL World Live is a digital property which goes live twice in a week. And during this program, which is a live streaming by various artists, we connect with all the fans and followers of our platform, as well as the followers of the artist. Can we move to second after this, please? So this the campaign which you see SL World Live is worked out with our digital and our creative agency. The most important part of this campaign is that there were multiple names which we thought of this campaign. Then we shortlisted the logo unit, and after this we went for a SOP also for the property. Once we have finalized the standard operating procedures and shortlisted the artist, we went for promotion of these artists. Can we move to after this, please? So we have successfully done 4 live streaming till now. First streaming was with the Magician, and after that, from second streaming onwards, we also have a collaboration with BookMyShow. BookMyShow, as we all know, is a very big online aggregator, and Book My Show has a has a database of more than 5 million customers. So the collaboration actually helped us, and we are able to reach to all the customer database of Book My Show, plus the database of the artist, and along with the followers of on our platform. The biggest advantage is when we are talking of this digital live program, that we are able to tell the customers, yes, we take care of you during the social distancing period. It's not that just you are busy the entire day with Skype call and your office calls. So this event actually goes live after 6:30, twice in a week, and we have a mixed category of various genres which we are displaying in SL World Live promotion program. Other engagement program which we had is for the, as we all understand, we have customers coming from different categories, which are FITs, schools, your corporates, your trade partners, online partners. So it is important that we cater to all the categories of our customers. In that similar case, we actually connected with various customers by way of digital posts and digital videos, which are generated and shared with the admin and HR department, and they have shared it with the employees. We are able to reach to approximately 7 lakh customer database in a matter of just 35 days post launch of various programs. Next slide, please. Now, once we have started with various programs for the guests, it is also very important that we take care of our employees who are there available with us 365 days and 24 hours during this tough time. So we decided to also engage with them and provide some basic engagement initiatives, so that when they are leaving home and coming back, what are the basic things they need to do. Also important, I would like to add here, during this period, we are actually having around 100+ staff in our premises who are actually maintaining certain rides and doing some basic project work. 50% of the staff is also engaged in providing and cooking and packing meals which we are serving all over Bombay, and we continue to serve as I speak. Next slide, please. So these are the other few engagement programs: hygiene campaign, entertainment campaign, and we also designed some puzzles. So puzzles actually also keep you engaged throughout the day, so that you are continuously thinking what is happening. And you are always brainstorming on various aspects. Next slide, please. School engagement program. When we started initially just before live, the first program started was school engagement. As we all know, we are entire industry has got good percentage of school picnics and field trips which visit them on a regular basis. So we also got engaged with 22 schools with approximately 96,000 students, where we have created various posts. And as most of the schools of ICSC in Bombay and Maharashtra region are operating online with their students, so we connected with these schools and started a program whereby we are sending them link and post, which is shared with the students, and the students are also finding it very encouraging and also entertaining for them, as these are all basic stuff which they are supposed to follow on a daily basis. Next slide, please. This is another slide on the same topic, where we are talking of personal hygiene, which is converted into a post of like a puzzle. Then we are talking of certain hobbies and what are the advantages of these hobbies on a regular basis. Next slide, please. This is another program of school engagement. Now we come to corporate engagement program. Next slide, please. Corporate engagement program. We have a good base of corporates who visit us on a regular basis since last 30 years, as we have been operational from 1989 now. And so we connected with all these corporates through their admin heads and HR heads. And so that it is always important. Then during the tough time also we are connected and providing them some good feedback, how to remain hygienic, how to maintain their very basic hobbies, how to actually enjoy during their spare time when they are at home. Next slide, please. So these are various corporate engagement programs on personal hygiene, communication, crossword, personality development, and hobby development.
Excuse me, may I make one small announcement to everybody who is participating in? On the bottom of the screen, you can see a chat button. You can just type in your questions related to Mr. Mishra's presentation, and we'll answer it at the end of the session. Mr. Mishra, to continue, please.
Yes, sir. So these are another few of the other corporate engagement program, like 15 good habit program, which we started for the corporates, so that because they have lesser time as compared to school kids, and they were also engaged on a regular basis. Last slide. Yeah, so FIT association program is also similar to the corporate, but the other big advantage is that FITs are being handled by a different set of travel agents. And so the team actually came up with the idea that it's very important when we need to mobilize after reopening. The most important person who will start coming in will be the FIT. So once we reopen, before that also we started mobilizing the FIT trade partners. And this is what is happening actually when I'm talking to you on a regular basis. We are talking, speaking, and doing VCs with the travel agents in the trade. So because the important is they are the only our partners for reaching out to FITs. Important is because of the psychology which is there right now, that okay, public places will take some time to revive. We are in the process regularly connecting with the trade partners and the corporates that you need not worry. We will take care of small issues of hygiene, sanitation, and we will remain with you for regular period. And so we connected with FIT so that mobilization is smooth for everybody in the industry. Next slide, please. Food distribution drive. I understand a lot of our partners or a lot of our parks, amusement parks, water parks are contributing to the society by various ways of giving food, by giving donations and other things. We also started with a drive on 30th of March, and we have associated with BMC, with police, and we are providing food starting from our place to South Bombay, and till date. Next slide, please. Till date, we have now slightly improved, and till date we have distributed 3 lakh plus meals to all the needy all over the Bombay, and we continue distribution as of date. And till the time the lockdown is on, we will keep on distributing meals to the needy and the poor and the Adivasis in Bombay in and around area. Thank you so much. I would request, yeah, please go ahead.
Mr. Mishra, I have a few questions lined up from the guest.
Yes, sir.
I'll read out the questions to you. You may kindly answer accordingly.
Sure, sir.
The first question is, how can we make sure that we don't talk too much about COVID-19, since There are so many creative talking about the ongoing pandemic.
So in most of our communication, when we started, we were talking about COVID, but slowly as we move towards SL World Live and other digital programs, we have started keeping that on as in it was not spoken about extensively, and now we started talking about more about live programs, more about distribution drive, and more about sanitation and hygiene. So that is what is more important as we start planning for reopening.
Okay. So I'll take in the next question. That is, what has been the response from your visitors for your campaign?
So when we started the first campaign, we have a very small response when we started with the magicians. The second campaign, we had Mr. Raghav. He himself has got a follower base of 62 lakh on Instagram. So
62 lakhs, you said?
62 lakhs, 6.2 million.
Okay. Okay.
So that is the follower base Mr. Raghav has got, and he's a big star choreographer. And so it was very engaging. And at present, when he did this program streaming with us, he was based out of Dehradun, and he's still there. So there was a major push. We could get immediately around 1200 plus people who started viewing. And these all campaigns are just half an hour campaigns. So when we start engaging with the customers, it's very important that we immediately engage them, and then there is a continuous viewership which increases. And all these campaigns which we are doing, which are just promoted for 3 to maximum 4 days on our platform and on Book My Show and other platforms. So these are a very small shelf life, as in. But the important part is that overall as an industry, we are a product which is an offline product as an amusement park and water parks, but we are able to connect online and become relevant when we reopen. It is not that we have to all work together in starting a process that we exist, we are there. You are already connected with the industry, with the customers database. That is very important for all of us.
Very true. We have a next question. That is, were you able to monetize the SL Live program, or is it a free event?
So it is a total complimentary event, and we are also, as we all understand, that we are also not generating any revenues. So we are also working. All this is under collaboration and is all complimentary.
Okay. The next question is, what's your budget for all this during COVID lockdown? So I think which you already said. So probably if you'd like to explain more.
So this is all entire team members. I've got team members which are part of sales, marketing, digital, and PR. Plus we have people who are based in our centers in SL World and Water Kingdoms. So all put together have come together, and with the resources and contacts, we have been able to generate all these artists and relationships. And this is all has been, as I explained to you, this is all on relationship based.
Okay. I'll take in the next question. Did you spend on the radio campaign? Again,
So,
digital QR. So I'll explain. I'll read the question totally. Did you spend on the radio campaign, digital, or it's all organic? How do you align yourself if we don't have any budget, not even engage with our agencies?
So as I'll explain to you here, in the case of radio, few channels have played our jingle and our programs throughout for 15 days. And this is also with the team relationships since last many years. And there is no spending on that front as well.
Okay. So I'll take in the next question. What was the cost incurred for your presence in radio and with Book My Show?
So Book My Show is my Book My Show, and many other online aggregators are my online partners. And there is, in this case also, it's all been done complementary based on the relationship of the team since many, many years now.
Okay. Post lockdown, what percentage of visitors loss are you projecting in first, second, and third month?
Right now, we are in the process of working on those numbers. Still, we have not yet finalized. The important part is earlier we were looking at opening of Maharashtra region and Bombay by say first week of May, but now it looks like that it may be mid of May or third week of May because Maharashtra, the cases are too high, plus Bombay region is having red right now. So I'm not sure when we will be opening in second or third week of May, most probably. We are working on those numbers. Still, we have not yet finalized.
Okay. So I'll take in the next question. Has SL World tried any surveys delivering to on the user base you created based on these campaigns to guess insights from your regular public on their opinion or a likeness of visiting a park attraction post lockdown? Second added question to it is, what kind of safety measures? Sorry, I'll just read the second question also.
Please.
What kind of safety measures they expect from a park to visit post lockdown to get an idea about the sentiment about visiting a park in these times?
Okay, so first I'll ask the first point which you have mentioned regarding what kind of measures which we have taken. We have actually right now also we are sanitizing our park on a regular basis, which is a process which is happening twice in a week, where our entire park is being sanitized by disinfectant, where we are sanitizing our washrooms, our open air amusement park rides. Each and every ride, the sitting area is getting sanitized twice in a week. That is one part. Second important part is, as I have 100+ staff working right now, we are doing a medical check of these staff also once in 10 days. We have employed a doctor who works with us 365 days, and he is also associated with senior doctor who has been with us from last 30 years. So both of them have recently done a check, which is 2 days back only, and we have found that the results are satisfactory. So we are taking care of the sanitation of the space as well as the staff on a regular basis.
Okay. So I'll take in the next question. Would like to know, as per you, what will be the major changes in the industry after the lift down from Corona?
So major changes, what I feel is based on multiple research and analysis report which is coming up, is that the international travel tourism will take some time to gear up and restart. But there is a positive sign from the market, as we are talking to all the online agents which are very big, like Make My Trip, your Clear Trip, your Book My Show. All these are very positive because they still feel that indoor, like cinema especially, I'm talking of, will take some at least 1 or 2 months more than the amusement parks. Amusement parks and water parks which are located within the city limits, they will have good footfalls, because the reason is people will be actually visiting all the areas which are within the city limits. They will avoid going internationally, and they will also to certain extent take some precautionary measures if they want to travel for tourism outside the state also. So this is the market feedback which is coming. We are attached with 3,000+ travel agents, big and small. So we are doing small understanding and of various issues with them. Now come one more thing which is important, which I missed earlier, was your research. We have recently finalized a research questionnaire, which we are undertaking in next 2 weeks to understand what is the market feedback. So your important relevant issues of how people will react after opening, those all the points we have covered in that questionnaire.
Okay. I think in addition to that, I'll also say that people in general would definitely prefer to go to amusement parks rather than movie halls. Being in open space, it will be definitely advantage and more safe for people to come in. And the water which we are using in water parks, especially, is almost all sanitized. So, it will be more advantage for amusement industry.
Perfect, sir.
Yeah, the next question I'll take is. What was the cost incurred for your presence in radio and with Book My Show?
So as I explained earlier also, we have not incurred any cost on Book My Show and radio.
Yeah. So I'll take in the next question. On employee engagement front, you have any platform during the lockdown period where an employee can speak to or share in their queries, if any, with leadership team?
So we are having Skype calls and MS Team calls 4 times in a week. And these are done by all HODs for their team members. In addition to this, my HR team has taken an initiative and they are doing webinars for all their employees. Twice in a week, there is a schedule where 1 hour webinar is done. My HR trainer is based out of Calcutta as we speak today, and she is doing webinar from there. For all the employees, she has already conducted 3 webinars.
Okay.
For employee engagement and to keep their spirits high during this period also.
Definitely, they need to be. The next question is, tell something about marketing after the crisis.
So marketing after the crisis is most important, is that we need to be connected with each and every stakeholders. So stakeholders for us in our industry is first is the travel agent, second is the school principal or the board member of the school, third is the various corporates, HR heads and admin heads of various corporates who have come in the past or who regularly go for a picnic once in a year. Fourth most important is that once we see any other public space getting started, we have to reach out on that place, get a collaboration done and showcase that what are the hygiene and sanitation areas you are undertaking right now as a product and how safe are we, so that we mobilize the movement of the people inside our properties. So these are the few things which are important for us. We have to also see and understand that there are so many travel agents who are actually doing business which will suffer for another 3 to 6 months. So there is a potential to connect with these agents and tell them, yes, you have an opportunity, please undertake this business for a few months till the time you have your earlier opportunity which may start. So the market is too big for us as of now. We need to go out and grab that opportunity.
Okay. The next question I'll take is, have you thought of marketing expenses budget revision for the current financial year?
Yes, that will be done in line with the numbers which we work on. And definitely we will look at those numbers in detail, because it is going to be a tough time for all of us. So we need to spend our monies very cleverly now.
Okay. Given most 45 to 1 second, I'll just read that. It's missed. There are too many questions coming up. So given most 45 to 50% of the business from theme park and water parks happen in Q1, Q1, what's your outlook on the rest of the year?
See, the opportunity is there with us. The important part is we all understand that this right now is a tough time. This quarter is difficult for us. And then there will be monsoon also for a few months, especially in Maharashtra, Gujarat and other areas. But there is a balance period which is still there, available with us. Second, most important, which we have to connect with this is that there are other tourism areas which are not going to give that opportunity for various stakeholders who are connected with us for business. So we have to tap them and engage with them to get business, because they also have the cost of running the business. So all the, if I have got say 1,000 travel agents who are actively working on a monthly basis with them, they were also doing some other businesses, which they have already clarified to us is going to suffer for some few months. But then this is the opportunity available. We have to reach out, work out various offers, promotions, multiple things which we can do with them and mobilize them. So there is an opportunity which is there. We have to just go and grab it. We have to convince them. Our sales team, our marketing team and all the stakeholders which are part of the business have to reach out to smallest and the biggest person in the industry who's doing business with us. These are difficult times and we need to remain connected. That is what is the objective we all have.
Okay. Are you thinking of social distancing after opening the park for safety reasons?
We are working on that as of now. Nothing is finalized, but we are managing park of 100 plus acres. So still we have that opportunity where we can maintain it very easily. But still those things are under discussion as of now. Nothing is finalized.
Okay. So I'll take in the last question. After the lift is done of the lockdown, how many months do you think it will take for people to actually walk into the centers? And how do we plan for those months in terms of resources, staffing extra?
So we all operate with say 70 to 60% of permanent staff, and balance we operate with some daily wages or contract staff. We need to work with all of them together and understand that how can we manage for 2 months or 1.5 months or 1 month to start with lesser manpower, and then work out a schedule where we gradually scale up the operations and as the numbers also start improving for us.
Okay. I think I'll end up with questions now because still many questions are coming up and we're running short of time. Anyways, I'll request a few more members to speak in about it or put up their view. May I request the host to activate the mic for Mr. Yogesh Tange to speak in something about this topic?
Hello.
Yes, please.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, Mr. Yogesh.
You have to hold your mic closer.
Yeah. Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you, sir. It was such a nice video presentation for all of us, and I am very sure that many of us will be in a position to utilize what all things you have done, if not all. But at the end of the day, what is very important to understand is to get connected with the customers. Finally, they are the people who are going to take care of your businesses, and also to see that how safe you can keep your employees as well as your well-wishers intact. So I think you have covered up most of the topics which was coming to my mind. In the beginning, I was thinking, oh, we should do this, we should do that, but you have, I think, covered all the points. Thank you very much, sir. That's all, Anuj.
Thank you, Mr. Yogesh.
May I request Mr. Rajiv Kol to speak something?
Yeah, thank you very much, Anuj. And let me compliment you on this great initiative you've taken. I think
Thank
it's
you, sir.
really appreciated. And you've also identified and brought an excellent speaker
Thank you.
to the first session. And I would like to compliment him in particularly being the head of marketing, how he's utilized all his connections very effectively to be able to bring about a good social media and radio media coverage and promotion to stay in touch with his customers at almost zero or minimal cost. So congratulations to him. And I think it's something for all of us in all parks to learn from SL World and his leadership. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words.
Any other person wants to have any direct interaction at the moment? Or we can call up with the session. Mr. Premdas would like to speak something.
Hello.
Yeah, Mr. Premdas.
Yeah, yes, sir. So great initiative, sir. We kind of understood how we can connect with all our customers, and I personally feel that people are all wanting to go out. So we have a big opportunity there in the amusement park field, and as we know that indoor and cinema theaters, people are. We kind of did a small survey internally on whether what kind of entertainment people would be seeking out, and most of them were talking about open spaces like beaches and restaurants. So obviously we have a good potential, and we have to, like the speaker said, we have to connect with our mainly our travel agents, and that particular domestic travel is going to boom in India, since international travel is not going to be happening in the near future.
Definitely, I think I agree with Mr. Prem, and I say that definitely we can, take the opportunity of taking people not going abroad, and take the opportunity to get them to our centers at the most.
Thank you, sir.
I'll request Captain Ashokan if you can say something about it.
Yeah, it's a good initiative. Hello, can you hear?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah, it was a good initiative. Very much people have, it's good to have these interactions. That's first and foremost, I think we all should know each other. And when you have the other, your, meetings and all that, it's difficult for some people to come in and all that. Very good. Thank you for the thing in, and it was a good presentation by SL World. Very good. Thank you.
May I request Mr. Bhaskar Joshi to say something about it?
Yes, yeah. There's something, only thing is that dry park will be back soon. I'm not sure about water park. But however, the initiative you have started, you must have seen, we have also done the same thing, like, interaction with our customer, where we say, you solve the puzzle and we'll give you few, tickets free, complimentary when the park gets over, and it's getting a very good response. So we are doing this social, all social networking and all those things, but really worried about when we're gonna open the water park.
Okay. I think I would like to end the session now. May I request Mr. Rajiv Chalnapurkar to say something, and then thank the speaker and the guest present. Mr. Rajiv Chalnapurkar.
Hello?
It's been unmuted.
Yeah. Am I unmuted?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Rajiv sir, can you say something, please?
Yeah, I'm on a...
Yeah, we can hear you. He's muted again. I think he's muted.
There's some problem. Unable
Yeah.
to mute him. I think it's okay now. Yes, please.
Yeah, I must compliment Mr. Paresh that, you certainly got some positive spirit. We all were sitting in the worried situation, and I wanted to compliment Anuji also taking this such a great initiative. I never thought that we will able to meet everybody on the screen. And my best wishes to all of us, including us, that, we will able to get back soon. And the way IRP has come together, I feel that we can see a family unitedly fighting against Corona, and we are going to win soon. All the best to all of you.
Thank you, Rajiv, you for kind words.
Thank you, Rajiv.
Now I request all the guests over here, because we have a limitation of 100 people, and today also we're crossing more than that. So I'll request everybody to send in their confirmation beforehand. We'll be very soon sharing in the next training program, upcoming training program with you. So request all members to kindly confirm beforehand so that we can register accordingly. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Mr. Paresh.
Thank you
And
so much,
thank you,
sir.
everybody.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you to all. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.